The Samsung S22 Ultra is such a beautiful and high-tech phone with some of the best camera video capturing capability, but the audio can use a little bit of improvement. If you're looking to improve the audio of your videos, let me introduce you the HOMVOS wireless lavalier microphone. Straight out of the box, you have your user's manual and your warranty card. And look at this nice little case, guys. Ooh, that's like a carbon fiber design where I like it. Definitely need a carry case to make sure everything is protected and stored away. So here is your lavalier microphone with the clip, USB-C connection, and with the wind muff. Okay, it's nice. All right, and we have them separate connections. This is what you will plug into your smart device, whether it be your Android or your iPhones. Power button, USB-C connection. And in the event that your smartphone has different kind of connection, you have all of these types of connections that you can choose: USB-A to USB-C, and then we have the USB-C to USB-C, or the Apple Lightning cable to the USB-C, and 2 extra wind muffs. Upon further analysis, looks like on the receiver end you have the tip ring sleeve, and on one of the attachments, tip ring sleeve, TRS. And since my S22 Ultra phone, which I'm using to record right now, doesn't have a audio jack anymore, I have to use the USB-C connection. That way I can connect it to this phone. Let's charge the microphone. Alright, so when your microphone is fully charged, it turns white. Now I'm getting ready to use it on my brand new Samsung S22 Ultra. Like I mentioned before, they got rid of the audio jack. So that's why I have the USB-C connection, which is connected to the receiver end. Alright, so here's how you will use it. It's a very easy plug and play pairing. Hold it for 1 second until it turns blue, which turns on. And they do the same for the microphone. Of course, you will wear it on your lapel or clip it on your shirt. So press 1 second until that also turns blue. And it is. Now they're both solid blue. Now you can use it directly. I'm doing my review right here. What you hear in the background is some background noise. Now you just follow me over here. What you are actually hearing is this boot or shoe dryer. So we're going to test out to see if it can cancel out that noise. Mic check, 1 2 3. Welcome to J-Roo Productions. Testing out the audio, stock audio on the Samsung S22 Ultra. Here is my setup. And here's what it looks like when you click on record, recording audio through USB mic. Mic check, 1 2 3. Welcome to J-Roo Productions. Testing out my brand new microphone. Alright, so looking at the video on my Adobe Premiere video editing software, this is the video before using the new lavalier microphone.
Mic check 1 2 3. Welcome to J-Roo Productions. Testing out the
I can hear the background noise, the
audio.
buzzing. And you can see the sound waves. You see how that's significantly reduced compared to with the microphone.
Ultra.
Okay, so let me go ahead and forward it to here.
Mic check, 1,
See
2,
how
3.
it's
Welcome
a
to
lot
J Room.
louder? It's much louder. I didn't do any. This is the default transition when I move that over to the timeline. So as you can see, it definitely raises the volume significantly.
Productions. Testing out my. So as you guys can clearly see in here, the sound quality is much improved versus the stock. I really love the noise canceling feature along with the 360 degrees audio pickup. That's definitely a quality mic. And with a full charge, you can have 6 hours of playtime. So if you're looking for a very easy use, direct plug and play lavalier mic with different type of connections for all of your different smartphone needs, definitely give the HOMVOS brand a look.